I normally don't offer this, but because of cost, I'm gonna attempt to paint. Because I think the colors need to just be a little bit more vibrant than the beige that kind of matches the furniture. I think that would kind of open up the room. That's what I'm thinking, is taking the wall pop, going to like a Home Depot and finding a really, really nice wall pop, putting the wall pop up because it can go with your wallpaper, painting the bottom, like the base, getting a really beautiful rug to go down, you know, staining the desk again, taking it out in the back, staining it, and then measuring it so she can get the cut of glass once I'm gone, and then just, you know, putting everything in a working order. That way she can kind of work the space the way as needed. So that's that. The master bedroom, I'm gonna do measurements. In the living room, I'm gonna do measurements, so that way by the time I go, we can kind of figure out the space. But is the basement finished?
Yeah. You can go down.
We are going to the basement. Okay, so she pretty much went down to turn all the lights on, you guys, and open up the doors. So we're going down to the basement. It is an above ground basement. So here's the room. Oh, this is so cute. Girl, you got you a whole other little loft area down here. Bathroom. This is hubby's pool table. You could definitely deck this out. Oh, this is huge. And this is another room down here. Oh, and you have a second room right here. Here's another room right here.
That's the theater. We're gonna turn this into a movie.
Is that the police thing?
Oh yeah. The riot things.
Oh gosh. She's a police officer, you guys. So that's the basement, you guys. Hold up. I don't even know if I showed it to you guys right. Hold up. Let me stand here and turn. Okay, so here is the basement, okay? Just want you guys to see, because I don't think I really did a good job. I was trying to see for myself also. Okay, pool table, okay? Right here is the room that's gonna be the movie room, and that was the room that I showed you that I'm like, it has the police stuff in it. As you're leaving out, you get hit with this door. What's in this door? Okay, that's the boiler room in here. Second door. Oh, this is another room. It's another room, okay? But it's not finished. And then bathroom, closet, and then another room that's not done. But I wanted to show you guys the back because it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. It looks so good. Like, so good. It looks so, so good. All right, so we're on the inside. Pretty much all of this is new. This is gonna come out. I'm gonna replace it. And here is the dining room. All of this is all brand new. The table, the chairs, and everything. It looks really good. So focus is going to be painting the walls, getting something here. Again, this is going to be a very budget-friendly project, so I'm so excited. And then we have the office. The furniture looks good.
What furniture?
The desk and the chairs.
Did you see the spot?
Did I see the what?
Did you see the boo-boo on it?
But let me tell you something. This is gonna go downstairs. And yes, I have to fix the legs. They put the legs on wrong. I'm gonna fix the legs and stuff, but that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting some of this stuff out the way. I'm only here till Thursday, so I need to get as much done as possible while I am here. This is a big project, but a small project. All right. Hopefully from the first clip you guys noticed the wallpaper on the wall. I saw a piece kind of sticking out, so when I pulled on it, it came off with ease. So me and the homeowner went on ahead and pulled all the wallpaper out the wall. What I'm doing now to the walls is going in with Sherwin-Williams primer. Before you guys ask, I have another clip coming up. That way you guys can see the actual can. I suggest, if you're interested, to take a screenshot of it. That way you guys can have it and you can just take it into the store and ask about it. But it's pretty much just a primer. I'm going in with a much lighter color. I did not want to go with a paint and primer in one because I do feel like the paint comes across a little bit nicer when you take the extra time to prime the walls. So now I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the base trim, because even the shoe molding around was that really oak trim, and going in with a much brighter, whiter paint is also going to make the trim look bigger. So that's what I'm doing now. As I'm priming and I'm working on the wall, I'm making sure to not miss any spots, making sure the primer hits everywhere so that the color payoff is going to be really nice. Once I'm done with the wall, I'm going to go in with the final color. I do not remember the color, you guys. I do apologize, but I have like 4 to 5 different projects going on and I don't remember the color of this room exactly. But now what I'm putting down is the rug that we purchased from HomeSense, and I love this rug so much. The second I saw it, I was like, this is the perfect color. It has the gray that she requested. It has the taupes, and it also has the browns to go with the remaining look of the house. This was a really great buy, especially considering we found it the day of. And as you can see, the brown tones in the rug looks really nice against the flooring. There's also a possibility that with future renovations that the floor will get darker, so I wanted to keep future renovations in mind with the selections. I wanted to give you guys a closer look at the trim so you can see that. Here is a look at the before of the space, and if you look at the trim, you can see it looks a little smaller, but by going in and lightening the shoe molding, it made everything look a bit more grand. Now this is what the room looks like currently, and if you guys missed it in the beginning, the furniture was purchased from an estate sale. I want to say the desks and the chairs were about $400 or $500 for everything, which was really great. The wallpaper we ordered from Amazon. It was my bad that I misjudged the length of the wallpaper. I normally deal with wall pop and I did not have enough to go around the room, but we are going to come back for a second install. But nevertheless, the room looks really great. It's missing some decor pieces, but we will touch back on those things. Also, we did find a glass door while I was there, so I took my brown paper and I took the measurements. If you've been on my channel, you know how I do this. Pretty much all she has to do is take that roll into the store. They'll cut it and then it can be installed. What I'm going to be doing now is sharing with you guys the second guest room in the home, and as you can see, it has the burgundy wall. OMG, you guys, this is the red room. I'm not done cutting the trim, but I put the primer up. I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the remainder of the primer, and then the room is gonna get painted. But goodbye to the red paint. What I am using is a gray color from Sherwin-Williams. It's primer. You guys can see it right there. It says multi-purpose latex primer. So I'm gonna go around with the brush and finish up everything, but it looks so good. So this is the final paint color of the guest room, and I love it. I love it. I love it. It is a gray. She requested gray, so it is gray. The thing that I'm loving about the paint is there is absolutely no remnants of that burgundy color, so I'm happy that I primed the walls first. Now I'm going to show you guys the entire house. This is the look of the sitting room beforehand, and all the furniture is new. And these are the new decorative pieces that were picked up at HomeSense. Everything from the pillows to the coffee table to the accent pieces to also just some of the decor pieces, they were all picked up at HomeSense, and I absolutely love it. I think everything flows really nicely. Everything that the client requested is what she got in the space. I kept in mind the color, I kept in mind her husband, and I just kept in mind company in general. I really enjoyed shopping at the HomeSense. Taking a quick look into her dining room, again, all the furniture in there is new. She wanted the room to mimic my dining room. I do get requests for spaces that like mine. At times I'm against it, but for this project it was fine because we needed to keep it on budget, and I found everything at the HomeSense store. The light fixture was super affordable. I want to say we got it from Home Depot or Lowe's, and the mirrors are from HomeSense. The flower and even the white vases are also from HomeSense. I really enjoyed HomeSense, you guys. If you have a chance and you're in Jersey, definitely check it out. The mirrors are tweaked a bit. The one in the middle is a lot larger than the two on the opposite sides. I wish I could have done a little bit more into the space, but I'm really happy with the end results. I'm gonna show you just some of the things that I found in the store. I'm just gonna go around. I'm not buying everything. The ones that I'm buying, I'm gonna point out to you that I'm buying, but I can just see some amazing pieces in this store. It's like Home Goods on crack. Look at the coffee table. Look at the coffee table. And guess how much it costs? $300.